Hi everyone. Holding her eye while applying the eyeliner makes it easier for me, and secondly, some people have teary eyes, so this prevents them from tearing. Yeah, it also helps me not to mess up the eyeliner. Neatness is key while doing makeup. Something small can mess up the whole look, so I am trying to clear out any smudges of the eyeliner and or any other dropouts of the foundation, of the eyeshadows on her foundation. I'm mixing 2 shades of lipstick on her already lined lips. I'm using Nova and Milan, 2 shades of red. Please check the description for the number for the shades of the lipstick. Sorry, I couldn't mention them here. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you love the result. Hope you have picked a thing or two. You see, she loves her hairstyle. She loves her makeup. I will upload a video showing how I came up with this hairstyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos to your friends. See you on my next upload. Bye.